Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a quick project share and a little bit of a craft haul. So I picked up this really cute Memorydex die from Amazon, and it was through KSCraft. It's the Cloud Border Memorydex Frame Metal Cutting Die Stencil. I'm not sure what this piece is for, so if anyone knows, let me know. I didn't die cut it. I bet if I die cut it, I would have figured it out, but this was the stencil I purchased. Die I purchased. And then from Alte, I picked up this really cute stamp. It's called Mini Delight, and it's called Be Kind. And it's super small, and it's a little bee, and it says Be Kind, and it's a layered bee. And it comes with the die. I actually ordered where you get it every month, their little Mini Delight set. So I'm excited to see what'll come. It didn't cost very much, and that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. I'm limiting my spending for the next few months, so there won't be as many craft haul videos for me because of a purchase I made a couple of days ago. So I may be sharing that a little later, but anyway, so here is the Mini Delight Be Kind set. So I did make a Memorydex. I also used this Paper Studio floral embellishments from Hobby Lobby. I used the Distress Ink mustard seed and this Bow Bunny Double Dot Jewels flourish. I just want to show you, I stamped out the bee a couple of times and just tried different colors. They're kind of hard to distinguish on the video, but this is a Wow Honey by, this is a Distress Oxide. And then this is the one I used, Mustard Seed. And this is Gina K's Prickly Pear. Yeah. And this is Gina K's Wild Dandelion. So not a big difference. This was way too orange. That one was too dark. That's the Gina K Prickly Pear. And then I thought that was just a little too bright. It's the Wild Dandelion by Gina K. But I really like this Distress Ink mustard seed. So that's what I use. So let me share with you my little Memorydex card. So here it is. So like I said, I put the flowers on it. I cut out the little Be Kind, stamped it and just kind of cut a little flag out. And then here's the bee. And he's single layered, and he's just up on a couple of foam dots. And then I used the little Bow Bunny flourishes as like his little, like a bee is moving. You can't really see it that well, but I thought it added a cute little touch. And I used the paper I had in my stash, which is always usually Bazelle from Joann. And then this paper here, this was a little piece of scrap paper I had, and I think it was from Joann a few years back. They had these sets of paper. There are different layers or different sheets to make some type of decorative item, and this is one of those sheets. So what do you think of my Memorydex card? I think it's pretty cute. I have a little leaf over here. I like that bee. The bee is pretty good size for it to be a mini die set. So just wanted to share that with you. Let me know below what you think. And thanks for watching to all my subscribers. I really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, I would love that you subscribe. And also give me a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.